Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of the polar Paul, the AI generated little beer that has got really popular and all over the social media because they actually claim that it will help you out to soothe your mood. So now let's dive in and find out if it's actually worth buying and purchasing this item. As you can see, this item is also available on Amazon, but once I tried accessing the website, I got to know this product is no longer available, and same goes with the Walmart. They couldn't find the page. So this alone speaks a lot that this is pretty much a scam and you should avoid purchasing it. Another thing is, once I tried searching for its reviews on the Google, I got to know through the Meta AI that these are the pets and toys that stuffed animals. They receive positive reviews as a gift, but some pets, toys, other products have had negative feedback regarding the quality and what was advertised. So it seems like they are advertising it as a great pet and a soft one, but actually it is not up to the mark. So in conclusion, I would say like you should avoid purchasing this item because it is pretty much a scam, as it was also deleted from both Amazon and Walmart. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.